creation. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
He was with God in the beginning when God created the heavens and the earth.
Through him all things were made.
Without him nothing was made that has been made.
In him all things were created, things in heaven and on earth.
Visible and invisible. As before all things, and in him all things hold together.
Since the creation of the world, God's invisible qualities,
His was light. There was evening and there was morning, the first day.
let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from water.
God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it.